Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. I am Lee, and in today's video, well, straight away, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you guys down right there. I've had the laser on charge for 24 hours. So I'll take it off charge and we're going to see if this bad boy starts. Oh, take the battery charger off. Move some tools out there. Get the battery hooked back up. A little spark, so that is a good start. Now this car's not been started since before last November. And I started doing all the painting. As you can see, I painted that wing. It needs its final rubbing down and buffing for it to actually look like it's supposed to. But I want to get this car back on the road this year. I'm going to be able to drive this bad boy. Well, she runs and she definitely nearly gassed me to death, so that was quite fun. So right then, what we're going to do now is we're going to put it on the floor. So it's not been on the ground again since before it was last started. Obviously all the brand new shocks are fitted, lowering springs, discs and pads. So we'll see how much of the front has come down now. So I had to resort to the oldest trick in the book to get the jack out, the wood under the wheels. But arch gap is looking a lot better. I'll roll it forward, get it off this wood, and we'll see how it sits. Well, I can't really get a good angle of this, so I'll try my best. I've got at the minute so much cardboard in here. It's unbelievable. Let's have a look. So arch gap was huge before. I'll insert some pictures of what it looked like before. better. Definitely the back, you can see how much the back is compared to the front. It's pretty big. So the plan now is to remove all this stuff that's in the way, get it out so I can wash it, because you can clearly see how much dust is on it, because obviously I've painted this wing, as you can see. Video for painting will come up if this turns out any good, and guess what, if it turns out awful, it'll come out anyway. So yeah, I need to wash the car now so that I can finish painting the front off, the edge of this wing, because I did a full wing that side. I thought we'll just blend this one in, and then I've got that entire sill to do and that back arch, and then it's put the lights back in it and it can go for an MOT. I'll build the bumpers for it another day. Once it's MOT'd, I'll start building the bumpers. And the plan is to use these two chrome bumpers off an Austin 1100 that my dad used to own to build me some quarter front bumpers and build me a nice tiny back bumper for the back. Let's just say this garage has a lot of room in it when there's no Capri here. Da-na. Right, it's going to be so much easier to paint the front end now, with it being on stands or ramps, so we can get right underneath it, right round the front. Perfection. It's painted in the headlamp bowls. I've also painted all the way across the bottom and in the other headlamp bowl, because this is the bit that's going to take the most abuse on this front panel. I'm also going to schultz across it, or put some under seal across it anyway, and then you can get ready to give this a quick rub down and then spray that as well. God damn, we got a paint job. It went on pretty well. I plan on painting these bits here and inside the bowl with a brush, so I'm not too worried about this. Obviously I've still got this wing to do. Yeah, it does look pretty swanky. this week's episode of Retro Cars Reborn. I hope you enjoyed and you've seen some more progress on the laser. I shall be getting back to the 2.8 anytime now. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, share it if you want to, and I shall see you in the next video.